Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today. Well, I'm going to be making something pretty special, I think. I'm going to be making a Sri Lankan style tomato curry called Thakkali. And you can make Thakkali as a dish in its own right or as a side dish if you make some other curries and all that. But today I'm going to be pairing my Thakkali with I'm going to cook a nice piece of fish and basically use the Thakkali as a nice sauce on top of the fish, or to go with the fish. And but yeah, first things first, I have to make my Thakkali. So I've just got some oil heating up here, just some vegetable oil. I've got here a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I'm going to throw them in my oil, which is still getting hot. I've just got a sprig of curry leaves and they can go in, and we'll just give them a little bit of a fry in the oil just while that oil's heating up. Alrighty guys, a couple of minutes later, now once my mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves there been heating up a bit, they're starting to colour, flavouring that oil nicely. I'm going to add one small chopped onion, six cloves of garlic grated. I've got a big knob of ginger grated, and just some green chilies, sort of just sliced up, many as you want, and we'll just give that a quick fry. Alright, again it's just been another couple of minutes, just frying those ingredients. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. So I've got 3 small sized tomatoes and they're just roughly chopped, as you can see, into sort of cubes, but they're not ultra small. And at this stage we're going to get a bit of salt in there as well, quite a bit. Actually, at this stage too, I might throw in a pandan leaf there. I've just sort of tied in a knot. And obviously when we've cooked our curry we're going to be fishing that out, but yeah, we'll just start introducing that flavour, and that smells beautiful. It smells like South Asia, those pandan leaves, Southeast Asia. Alright, we'll just let that go for a little bit longer. Alright, again it's just a few minutes later, that's been sauteing away, giving it a bit of a stir. Just smells fantastic, just as that is, smells so good, but yeah, we've got a little way to go yet. Now next thing to add to our layer of flavours is I've just got a tablespoon of Jaffna curry powder. Regular viewers of my channel know it's one of my favourite curry powders, and yeah, can't wait to use it again. So we'll just sprinkle that in. Smell that. I wish you could. And again, we're just going to keep frying that away. And I might actually get the lid on it just for a little while. Alrighty guys, so it's about 5 or 6 minutes later. Looking good, smelling good. Next thing I'm going to add to that is I've just got half a cup of coconut cream. I've got 1 cup of water. And I'm just going to bring that back up to the boil, then down to a simmer. And then I'm going to leave it simmer for a good half an hour or so. And probably for half of that time, I'm going to put the lid back on. And then towards the end, pop the lid off. Alrighty guys, now I've moved my Thakkali over onto a back burner, and I'm just going to let that continue simmering away there for a little bit longer. What I've got here is a beautiful piece of red emperor fish, and that's a big piece of fish. That was about 420 grams. I'm not going to embarrass myself and tell you how much I paid for that. But yeah, if you're going to eat fish, I think eat something you like, something really nice. Now all I've done to prepare that, you can probably see the coloration there, is I've got a little sprinkle of turmeric on each side, and I've just rubbed that in, and I've had it sitting there sort of just, I guess, semi-marinating in that turmeric for about half an hour. Now I've just got some oil here in a fresh fry pan heating up, and I'm simply going to pan fry this. Now that's a big bit of fish, like I said. I'm going to be able to get a few serves out of that. Let's get her on. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've served up my piece of red emperor here now with my Thakkali, my Sri Lankan tomato curry. I've got a couple of lemon wedges. I'm going to drop a bit of lemon juice over that. Just going to cut off a bit of my fish, which is just flaking away beautifully. Oh my goodness, that looks good. So I'm going to get some fish. I'm definitely going to get some of my spicy Thakkali on the fork. And I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you up close. Let's have a go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but man, it's about to fall off the fork, so I'm eating it. Absolutely fantastic. You've got just a yummy curry now. As I said at the start, that curry will stand alone. It's delicious. But you mar it with a nice little bit of fish. Little bit. I said it was going to serve two, but I'm the only one here. Yeah, you serve it with a piece of fish like this. Now I know some purists would say, oh, you don't put spicy sauces on really nice bits of fish like that. Bah, humbug, don't agree. That sauce just goes beautifully with that piece of fish. Absolutely delicious. I'm so happy. Anyway, that's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. I'm giving you an honest appraisal of it. It tastes fantastic. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all you guys who subscribed to the channel as we move towards Christmas, 2021 Christmas. I hope you've all had a okay year. I know many of us haven't, but I hope things are going to get better next year. we'll see how we go. But anyway, I just want to thank everyone who's subscribed to the channel. You guys are great. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask you hit that subscription button? I'd really appreciate it. It helps my channel out no end. And but like I always say, if you don't want to, no worries. Just thanks for watching anyway, and I will see you all next time.